Hello guys, last video of the day of the last sketch. So this is sketch number 12 for today, and I think that's actually sketch number 68, I think. So yeah, there's I am gaining more effective sketches, more effective skills, I should say, beg your pardon. And these sketches all took 3 minutes each instead of the 4 minutes like 2 weeks ago. Number one was slightly, however, I will give you some feedback, or myself some feedback. Number one was slightly too long and narrow, but had good placement. That's what I was really happy about, good placement. Number two was slightly too squashed, but again, good placement of the features. And number three was slightly too round, and again, good placement of features, and the features actually were in proportion for all three of them for the face shape, which I was really happy about. For all three, I mean, this one I actually used a lot more structure and lines in place, so they were very lightly put in because the purpose of these sketches is to get the first layer of structure, and then you can then go on to either paint or charcoal or draw far more detail. So this is literally the first stage and the fundamentals of it. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I utilise geometric, observational, Loomis and gestural methods. That's the ones that I am heavily leaning on at the moment. Let me know what you think. I will get back to you. Thanks guys.